Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be installing the Shield Arms metal mag catch on a Glock 43X, which is also for a Glock 48. Actually, I've already installed one on my Glock 43X. I'm a left-handed shooter, so I was able to switch that over. These are ambidextrous, so that's wonderful. So you can see this side. So I'm gonna do a demonstration on my Glock 48 of how to do the same. So let me move this one out of the way. So this is the packaging that it comes in. The Shield Arms Mag Catch release. It shows here Glock 43X and 48. And there actually does come with instructions on their website of how to install it. Now you probably already know that these are for the S15 Shield Arms metal magazines. You need the metal mag catch so that you don't wear the original polymer mag catch. So I said there's two notches here that you can see for left or right-handed shooter. So it just depends on which way you install it, on which notch you're going to use. Glock 48 has a gun skin's vinyl skin on this particular one. So we'll clear it. It is safe and clear. Okay, so we're going to be working so there is, I'm trying to get some good light on this thing. It may be an issue. Oh, there we go. So you can see right there is the rod, or the spring as they call it, that holds the mag catch in. So the only two tools that I used is just two picks. A 90-degree pick and a straight pick. First you're going to use a 90-degree pick. Try to get in there behind that spring. Let me see if I can get this on camera. You see that? Okay, so I was able to snap that ring out. I see now you see that it's behind the mag catch. Let's see, I'll move it. See if I can move it a little bit forward, back and forth. See, it slides easily now, so now I can just pull it out. I can go back under here and hold the spring. Hold the spring with my hook. A lot easier to do when you're not trying to show it on camera. Okay, now there is the original polymer mag release. So now we're going to install this one. Now I'm a left-handed shooter, like I said earlier, so I'm going to be installing this backwards for most of you. So I'm going to be going into the other side of the frame. So I'm going to be going in from this side. Nope, yep, there you go, this way. No one. This part did give me the most difficulty me on my other one also. Okay, so now you see I've got the spring pulled back so I could slide release in place. And now that it's in place, I'll just let it go. And now it's resting. It's resting on the mag catch. So now I'm going to take my straight punch and just slide that into the groove. So and there it is. And see, now it's in place. Now for your right-handed shooters, obviously it's going to be on the other side. And that's how quick and simple that is. I was a little apprehensive about doing it myself, but as you can see, it's fairly simple. Anyone can do it.